Hello out there, Land Rover enthusiasts. I've got a specific one for you genuine roof rack owners. So anything newer like Discovery 5, new Defender L663, if you have the genuine rack and you're looking for a way to tie different things down to the rack, you'll notice there's really no eyelets anywhere. So we've put our heads together and we've come up with a kit of eyelets. They're stainless steel. You'll be able to drop them in the tracks inside the genuine rack, adjust them where you want to go. And we're using stratchets. I'll probably make a kit. You can just get the eyelets or the stratchets. You can snap it on, tighten down what you need. I'm going to jump up on the roof and I'll show you how these work. Roll the intro. All right. This kit's super simple, very easy to use. Inside the genuine rack, there's little slots, but they're generally covered up by these little rubber treads. So I'll pull out your rubber tread, set it aside. I think it helps with wind noise. I know, I don't think anything's really gonna help with wind noise, but you can put them back in if you want. I'm just gonna use this small section here. So the kit will come with these little slots. Drop them in. Identify where you want to be. Make sure your washer's down. Oh, hold still, boy. Screw in the eyelet. As soon as you feel it get a little bit snug, you can tighten this down. You don't want to jam it into the aluminum. We're going to use this bolt right here to pinch the washer to the rack and pull up on the T-slot. And that'll also allow you to adjust them for the way that you want. If you're super slick and fast, you can just kind of drop them in like that. Slide it to where you want. Boom. And there you go. Get a wrench on there, tighten it up. I'll jump over real quick and grab the stratchet just for you can kind of see how they go. And that'll be that. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back with the stratchet, just like that. Or you can use whatever other, careful there on the glass. You can use whatever tie down equipment you like, but now you've got a location. Again, they're stainless steel, super adjustable. It's a no-brainer. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.